Well-known environmentalist Aaron Brockovich is speaking out tonight about possible contamination and sick children in Franklin. This as 13 Investigates uncovers new reports showing the government knew that toxins were migrating into a neighborhood 5 years ago. Our Sandra Chapman took those findings to the mayor.
What got my attention was the numbers.
Environmentalist Aaron Brockovich is talking about the number of children diagnosed with cancer living near contaminated sites in Franklin. 13 Investigates first made the link in 2015. After elevated levels of known carcinogens were detected in July, the EPA, IDEM, and the city of Franklin all launched their own testing. The city discovered TCE and PCE migrating into the groundwater and near sewers. In one area, TCE 252 times above the state's acceptable screening levels.
I want the high levels to be gone.
For the first time, Mayor Steve Barnett and the city's environmental consultant are answering pressing questions. New documents obtained by 13 Investigates reveal the city, state, and federal government missed a critical discovery just 5 years ago when a scary prediction came true.
The report specifically says, and this is 2013, specifically says the model predicted TCE would be present at the site.
Carrie Reinhardt is talking about this report from May 2013, in which the city's own environmental investigator said the former Amphenol facility on Hurricane Road, less than 50 feet north, appears to be the source of the TCE in groundwater. Modeling even predicted TCE would be present at this site.
If I was mayor at that time and I knew that that was there, we would have been having Amphenol take care of their site. I've never seen that report, and I've never had anybody from IDEM tell me about that report.
But Barnett was on the city council and the Public Works Committee. Minutes show he actually voted to pay for the removal of contaminants at the same site.
I don't think it's fair to expect city officials to understand that.
And what concerns me is there's 10,000 other Franklin, Indianas, and kids. And where did the system fail that somebody knew something and didn't want to say something?
The Aaron Brockovich Foundation is working to help the If It Was Your Child group and other communities across the country by combining the data. 13 Investigates has reached out to IDEM about the discovery of TCE migrating in 2013. Now, we have not heard back from the agency yet. The mayor says he is not opposed to having the EPA take over the entire Franklin investigation. I'm Sandra Chapman with 13 Investigates.